Good morning, Vietnam. Just arrived here on the funny quarter. They have the railways going hello right through their houses, but the railway was rails. The rails were first here and then they built the houses around the train rails. There's a lot going on here in Hanoi, and I will show you what I mean. We're about to go to Hollow Bay. Johnny, was it hard to get up here?
Yes.
Yes? Morning after Cat Ba, took the bus to Ninh Binh, and you don't believe what happened, but she actually worked with me just a few weeks or months ago, and I met her here in Vietnam, bumped into her, and yeah, now we're doing a boat tour with a kind of a big group, and we'll show you some pictures from there. We're at the sunset point. Just look at this beautiful sunset. It's about to happen. That's all for the north of Vietnam. We'll go now down south, and yeah, next week from Hoi An.